Make a great choice today with the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, running boards, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.